Welcome to my channel. I hope you find value in this video. So today I'll be teaching you how to do a manicure specifically on a male without drills. So I started off by cleaning the top and the bottom of his nails, and then you see me use the cuticle pusher and the dead skin remover to push the cuticle back, and also use the other part to remove the dead skin. After doing that, you see me using the nail file to do, of course, what the nail file does. Can you see how neat those nails are? So that's it. You don't need a nail drill to get your nails prepped. So I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Please do not forget to subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you very much. I just cleaned every dust from filing the nails, and then I will go in and apply my base coat. Afterward, I did apply a top coat, but I think I'm not going to film that other part, and I'm really sorry. So all you do is apply the base coat, the top coat, and you clean it in the lamp. Ta-da! Slayed hair. Do not forget your cuticle oil though, because I forgot to include it in the video. Until next time, take care.